If you're charged with a crime, what are some things that you should not do while the charge is pending? First, and maybe this should be obvious, don't post about it on social media. Here's the thing. I don't mean just don't post what you did. Don't post about the person who claims to be a victim. Don't post about the police officer. Don't post about what happened when you got pulled over. Don't say, oh my goodness, these cops are ridiculous. Don't say that that victim is a liar. Don't do any of that. As an initial matter, some of that could actually be an additional crime. People do get charged with essentially intimidation of witnesses, and sometimes on pretty flimsy stuff. It could be a violation of your bail. Your bail may have a requirement that you not talk about it. And in addition, at a minimum, it's just a bad look. It's bad when we get to trial, and that is something that the prosecutor uses against you at trial. Anything you say, the cop shows tell you, can be used against you in a court of law. That is true even if you say it on social media, if you say it on TikTok, if you say it to your friend, if you say it to somebody who you swear won't repeat it. Anything you say to anybody can be used against you. Second, while your case is pending, and again, this one feels like it should be obvious, don't talk to the cops. Don't talk to the police. Don't talk to the guy that arrested you. Don't give an interview to them. Talk to your lawyer. Your lawyer can tell you when you talk to the cops. You should not be out there trying to handle it on your own or trying to talk a cop out of filing charges, talk him into withdrawing charges. All of that typically backfires, and usually pretty badly. Third, don't commit any other crimes, okay? Even if you don't agree it's a crime. If you're charged with trespass and you say, hey, I have a right to walk over that land because of X, Y, or Z. I had a right to be at that house. This person can't keep me out of there. While the charges are pending, just don't do it again. Just hold off, get this resolved first. Any additional attempts to do the same thing can only make a judge mad or aggravate the case once you get in front of a jury at trial. Criminal suits sometimes hang on as long as a year. In Pennsylvania, most of them are resolved in under a year. And the reason I'm telling you that is you can hang on for that period of time. Don't talk to people about it. Don't do any repeat issues, and do your best to lay low until the charges are resolved.